People are wearing cotton clothes in summer to protect their body from heat. People are wearing woolen clothes in winter to protect their body from cold. We wear clothes to protect our body. So also, skin is a protective cover for the body. If proper care of the skin is taken, we can safeguard our health from disease-producing germs. Skin consists of two layers. The outer layer is called epidermis and the inner layer is called the dermis. The epidermis consists of layers of cells. The outer layer is called corneum layer. This is made up of dead cells and contains a protein called keratin. The corneum's layer is thick on palms and soles. Due to wear and tear, it is shed off in the form of scales. There are two types of glands in the skin. They are sweat glands and sebaceous glands. The sweat gland is a coiled tube or duct. It ends in dermis. The duct of the sweat gland opens to the outside through a sweat pore. Sebaceous glands are known as oil glands. They produce oily substance called sebum. The sebaceous gland is like a sac. It has a duct through which it opens into the hair follicle. Sebum prevents the skin from becoming dry. Hair develops from the hair follicle. The hair shaft arises from the hair follicle. The hair shaft is the visible part of the hair. It contains dead cells and pigment. Sweat comes out through the sweat pores in the body. It gets evaporated and keeps the body cool. In winter, due to the cool environment, the blood vessels narrow and sweat production is reduced. Thus, the skin keeps the body warm. The sweat glands do the excretory function also. They absorb the excess water, sodium chloride, urea and urates from blood. These come out in the form of sweat. The skin is exposed to a number of diseases causing bacterial, interior disease, also germs causing a variety of skin disease. Itching may be due to change in temperature or bathing in polluted water. Fleas, bed bugs also cause itching. Eczema is a common skin disease. The skin becomes thickened and reddish brown with itching. It drops off in the form of scales. Pellagra is a skin disease caused by eating unbalanced food. It is due to the lack of vitamin called niacin in the food. This doesn't spread from one person to another. The skin becomes thick reddish brown with itching. Scabies is a common disease in children. It is caused by a small insect called acaris. This insect settles in the deeper layers of the skin and lays eggs. Scabies can occur in any part of the body. Itching will be very severe in the night due to the movement of the insect larvae in the body. Ringworm is another common skin disease. Thick and irregular ring-like patches are formed on the skin. The skin peels off as scales. Ringworm is caused by fungus. Usually, ringworm occurs on the thighs and on the back of the neck. The skin becomes thick and irregular patches on the skin occur due to psoriasis. It peels off the skin as scales. There will be intense itching. Skin is exposed to sun, dust and bacteria. The bacteria that settle on the skin produce various diseases. The skin has to be properly looked after for the well-being of an individual. A healthy skin is an index of a healthy body. The skin surface should be kept clean by frequent washing. We should take bath daily. Washing with soap removes dirt, oil and disease-producing germs. Mild soaps which contain glycerine should be used. Special attention is to be given to the daily washing of hands, feet and armpits. The skin of a manual worker will become rough. By means of bathing frequently with warm water, they can keep the skin soft. In winter, the skin cracks due to the cold. To prevent this, cold cream or oil should be applied to the skin. Clothes protect our body from sun, air, cold and dust. It is cover to the skin. Clothes must be changed regularly. Undergarments and socks etc. must be changed every day and washed in hot water and soap. Grease, stains and oil marks must be removed from the clothes. Tight-fitting clothes are a disadvantage. They prevent air from reaching the body through them. We must wear loose clothes so that air freely reaches the body through the pores present between the fibers of cotton clothes. In summer, we must wear white clothes because they do not absorb heat. We must wear woolen clothes in winter. It keeps the body warm. When a finger is cut or burnt or injured while playing, we do not go to the doctor. Immediately, we clean the wound and apply medicine. If required, we dress the wound with a clean cloth. This treatment is called first aid. A burn is an injury caused to the skin by heat. It may be by fire, hot air, hot metals, electric current and acids. Boiling liquids like water, milk, oil and tar also cause burns. Burns are of three types. In the first degree burns, only the superficial or the outer layer of the skin is injured. There will be pain and redness of skin at the burnt area. Pour cold water on the burnt part and apply a non-greasy ointment like burn-on. If ointment is not available, make a paste of baking soda with water and apply. Burnt area should be covered with a clean cloth. In the second degree burns, deeper part of the skin is damaged. Patient should be given small quantity of fluids at regular intervals. Ointment should not be applied. If the clothes stick on the burn, do not remove them. Dressing should be done with a clean cloth or surgical cotton. In the third degree burns, we should not apply any ointment on the burn. The victim must be given aspirin tablet to relieve pain. Then, the victim must be taken to the doctor for necessary treatment. When a person is exposed to high temperatures, his body is affected. He develops giddiness. This is called sunstroke. It's more common in men than in women. The pulse rate increases. The skin becomes burning hot and dry. The person affected by sunstroke must be moved to a cool place. Remove the clothes of the person and place him in a tub of cold water. Plenty of water should be given. Fluids like fruit juice, a pinch of salt dissolved in water can also be given. Then the patient must be taken to the doctor for treatment.